Hey loves, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Sarah Albert, and on today's DIY we're going to be making carrot oil. I have here pure coconut oil, carrots, peeler, grater, and an empty jar. So let's get right into this video. Don't forget to subscribe. So I'll just start now by peeling my carrots. I already washed them, so I'm just peeling off the outer skin. After peeling the carrot, the next thing I like to do is grate these carrots, and I'm going to be making use of the smaller parts of the grater because you want to get out all the carrot juice. So I'm just going ahead now to grate my carrots. Carrot oil is very good for both your hair and your skin. It helps lighten dark spots, it gives you a glowing skin, and helps clear hyperpigmentation. For your hair, it improves the hair texture, it helps with hair growth. So after grating this carrot now, the next thing I like to do is transfer it into the jar. After transferring the carrot into the jar, I'll just go ahead now and pour in coconut oil. I'm going to pour enough to cover the carrot, and once I'm done with that, I'll give it a mix. Now I'm going ahead to place it in a pot of water over medium heat, and I allowed it to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then after that I took it out and strained. After straining, here is our carrot oil. Do well to try this at home. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.